is up, my babies? What is up, my loves? It's your girl Star. Don't forget the second R, and I am back with another video. Today's wig is a Vice lace front wig. This is a blend wig also, and it is glueless. You can also wear it glueless if you would like. So Sensational sent me this wig. Y'all, I was struggling to get it out the pack, but I finally got it out the pack. So this wig is like a blondish kind of color. It's really pretty, really cute. You know, it's full. So a disclaimer for this wig that I'm just gonna go ahead and put out there because y'all gonna see it in my face. The disclaimer is for this wig is just, it's a lot of shedding and it's like frizzy in a way. The wig is beautiful. The wig is pretty. This is a unit 8 wig also, and it's like really pretty, y'all. You know, I have my lace in the front, the 2 combs, the industrial comb in the back, and then your 2 adjustable straps, of course. Let me just say that. So back to the wig, right? The wig is like, it sheds a lot, and it was giving me like a really, really hard time. I give the wig, like, out of the pack and everything, and throughout the whole video, like, I give it like a 7 because it was really difficult to work with, I guess you could say. Like, the wig was pretty, but it was just a lot. Like, it was a lot to deal with. The shedding, the frizziness, I had to put foam wrap on it. It was just a lot. The baby hairs was kind of not sitting right, so I didn't do any baby hairs. So it was just a lot with this wig, but I give it a 7 out of 10. And usually I don't have these problems, but I think it's just because of the color, I'm guessing. You know, I don't know. I really couldn't put my finger on it, but y'all just look at the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, get me to 300 subscribers. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. I won't talk for the rest of the video. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy. So, bye.
No rest, Lord. No rest, Lord. Cobra. No rest for the wicked, yeah. Wicked, yeah. Wicked, yeah. No rest, Lord. I feel alive, and it comes to no surprise. You know I ain't living my life right, and I don't know why. To cheat and lie, playing a good guy in disguise, suited for the night. You know I hang with the wolves, baby girl, feed my appetite. You know what I like. Don't tell me you're afraid of the dice, baby. Don't look so mesmerized. Gambling for your life, so pull yourself together. This shit's gonna be alright. My heart is made of leather. Don't put that bitch on ice. I lost that shit like twice. I'm barely traumatized. Your kid feel dynamite. Your kid feel hypnotized. I see demons every time. It's straight, baby girl, I'm fine. I'm smoking this kill, I'm prime. Middle fingers out of swan. Bit of pain all in my rhymes. Put Gino Williams on mine. One switching, we mobilize. We pull up Decepticons. We pull up a scary fright. Give me head on the Autobahn. Baby girl, I be taking flights. All black when I feel divine. Yeah, baby, I'm never dying. Yeah. No rest, Lord. No rest, Lord. No rest for the wicked, wicked, wicked. No rest, Lord.
I'ma keep it G real. I don't fuck with you cause you disrespecting me. You disrespect my hood by telling me take off my flag, asking how gangster I was, nigga. You lucky on that day I was acting cool, cuz I told you I ain't got time for that, but nigga, today I got time, cuz.
Gangsta. I'ma always keep it gangsta. Thuggin' around with them gangsters. Real step, but real gangster. I'ma always keep a banger. Try me, she can get dangerous. Gangsta. gangsters.
Not a good reason. I intend to try and use it. That's all. Right now? No, I don't worry. I tell you, I'm a man who believed that I died 20 years ago. And I live like a man who is dead already. I have no fear whatsoever of anybody or anything.
You bleed just like me, I can't fear a man. I was fucked up trying to get it, they ain't give a hand. I ain't got shit to prove cause I been a man. I ain't worried about that bitch cause she been a fan. Hotter than a fucking sauna, you might catch a tan. Free my niggas doing time, locked up in the can. Global gang, I'ma keep that shit 100 band. Niggas said he won't smoke or need 100 plans. All my niggas air shit like 100 fans. Have a geeker come and whack you for 100 zans. Ride with him, die with him, better check your mans. Before his ass get cut, not talking pots and pans. Gangster. I'ma always keep it gangster. Thuggin' around with them gangsters. Real stepper, real gangster. I'ma always keep a banger. Try me, shit can get dangerous.